What is up, guys, and welcome back. So as in the previous video, we worked with this theme, and now you can see that we are totally done with this. So if you have any of the confusion on the home page, then I want to clear it to you because my heart is saying that I should teach you everything. Okay, so I want to go to customize right here, and I want to tell you one thing. Okay, we want to configure this about us page and also that contact us page. So we want to go to our website URL again. Okay, and I want to go to the WP-admin. Okay, here what I want to do, I want to assign this to about us page. This is the about us page, and this is the contact us page. So you can rename it as the get a code page, okay, where you can send a code to the customer that how many products or how many hardwares you want. Okay, so I want to align this. I'm just going to click here, and I want to click here to the link, and here I want to add this link. I want to come here, I'm going to copy this link, and I'm going to paste it right here, and I'm going to hit apply changes. So if someone will click this, he will be redirected to this page. And I want to copy this link here, right here. I want to come here, and I want to hit click this, and I want to paste this link right here, and it will open up in the same tab, not in the new tab. Okay, I want to hit apply the changes, so you can see this is completed and this is completed. I want to come here, and I want to make some changes right here. So I want to change it to free shipping. Okay, and I want to change this icon. I want to come here, and I want to hit browse icon, and I want to search it to be van. No, I don't have van. I need a car. This one. Okay, I'm just gonna select this, and I'm gonna hit choose icon. So you can see that this icon is selected. I have the icon style. I can choose the rounded background, I can choose the normal, or I can choose the border. So I'm gonna hit the default one, and the size is the extra large. So I'm gonna hit apply changes, and you can see it is right here. So what I can do, I can also delete this whole item if you want to. Okay, you can see this is right here. If I just come here to settings, you can see how this is coming. So this is coming right this. I can go with the super features as well. I can change this if I want to. Okay, I can even add an item as well if I want to add one more right here. I will just come here, and you can see it is right here. So you can add as many services as you want, and you can see how this is coming. So I can add one more, I can add one more, and I can add one more if I want 3 services right here. So this is how it works. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I don't need this one, so I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna hit okay, delete, and delete as well. So you can basically edit it directly from here. Okay, I can even bring this to top. You can see how this is coming. Okay, I'm gonna change this to be like 24/7 contact support. Okay, and I want to change the icon to be the headphone. Choose icon, apply the changes. Let's come here, and I want to change this one as well. So I want to name it as same day shipping. Okay, I want to add an icon here, and the icon should be this one. I like this one. Okay, there we go. You can see it is coming here, and I want to hit apply changes. So you can see same day shipping, free shipping, 24/7 contact, 24/7 contact. /7 contact support. There we go. You can change this by clicking it here, by clicking it here, and by clicking it here. So you can see these are the 3 services, the main services that we offer. Okay, we go down, and then we have this alarm ipsum. So you can show anything right here. You can see, or if you want to delete it completely, you can also delete it. So this is called basically the about section, brand new WordPress theme. So I'm just gonna come here, and I'm gonna hit or what we do. Okay, I just don't want this. I'm gonna hit this, and I can add here anything that we provide shipping and something like that, okay? And I can add it right here. And then in the get started now, obviously I want to align the contact this page, okay? So that the person can contact me that he wants me to ship that. I can even change this image right here. You can see the select library is coming. So if I want to add any image, I can just add myself here. There we go. I have to crop it. Okay, I know I'm not looking good. So, but I'll just hit crop, and there we go. You can see that I'm coming here, and I'm so cute. So I think I should go with this one. Crop image. Here we go. I can even add an element if I want to. You can see it is asking me which element I want to add. So you can see this is the about section. If I want to delete it, I'll just come here and I'll delete it completely. Okay. I can even go to the settings of it. So more design options will be available in the pro version. This is not recommended to buy a pro version, okay? And then you can add something like here more about what you offer, what you not offer, okay? So I'll just get smart packaging. And then I want to add here custom officer support and clearance. So it's custom officer support, okay? And here you can add anything. So this is basically a hardware company, those who ship, so they can give the custom officer support, that how to clear your products from custom and something like that if their products get stuck in that. So you can add one more thing, and if you want to add one, you can just come here and then you can add it, okay? Now if I just come here, you can see that I can add one like this. But I don't need it, so I'll just come here, I'll just hit tilt this, I'll just delete it. A few things we are great at, so we are great at these things. Okay, we go down and then we have the case study and something like that. So let's say that if you don't want this whole theme, okay, you want your homepage to be the perfect and normal. So what you will do, you'll just hit publish, okay? And then what you have to do, you have to go to the front page that says the... So you have to hit edit. Okay. And then what you have to do, you basically have to come here and you have to hit edit with Elementor and you have to remove everything from here. So when you'll remove everything from here and you will hit edit with Elementor, then you can obviously edit this whole page and customize or the Elementor. Below this, okay, you cannot edit this. Basically I just hate it because this theme cannot let me do that. Okay, so I can change this as well if I want to, but not the perfect way. So what I'm gonna do, okay, here we have the page content section. You can see that we have so many pages content in a pro version. I would not recommend you to buy this. Okay, now we are totally done with this website. Okay, you guys already know that how you can design it, how you can customize it completely if you want to. You can customize this homepage from this section. You have to just select it. It's gonna come here, and then you have to click here, and then you have to change it. So if you want to change an image, you can also change an image. If you want to completely remove anything, you can just come here. And so if I am editing this one, okay, I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna hit delete, and this is deleted. So this is how you can completely manage it. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching this, and now let's go ahead and let's hit publish and let's have a look at our website, how we are created. So this is how our website is looking. Okay, I want to go to the visit site tab, and you can see this is how my website is looking. If I just click to about us, it's going to take me to the about us page. That is the page that we have designed and created, and you can see that this is already looking amazing. And if I just go to the contact us or get a code, you can see it is taking me to contact page where I have to enter my name, email, and it says have a coffee with us. So I have everything right here. I go down, and there we go. You have this, what we do, and if I just click this, it's gonna take me to the contact us page again. So this is how basically this works. And if I just move down, this logo is also changing. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching this. We are now totally done with the website. You have to just do a project. You have to submit this same website to me, okay, in the project section, and I'll just give you the feedback. So thanks a lot, guys, and goodbye.